What do you do? Are you a student or are you working? Okay, which department are you working? Government, private, IT sector? Okay, how long have you been working in there? Okay, are you born and brought up in Delhi or are you from different state within India? Or are you working? Okay, you born and brought up also in New Delhi and you are working in New Delhi. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, that's good. Then what means you are working right now? I am talking with you, but I don't do anything. I don't have any profession. I'm unemployed. बेकार हूँ. Unemployed means I am बेकार. कुछ नहीं करते. Do you have any job? Okay, are you job creator? You are a job advisor, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. Hmm. What kind of qualification they need? Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Miss, have you completed your MBA, right? Okay. What was your branch name? Mechanical. Okay. Did you get that job through campus selection or did you appear any interview? Okay. Do you wanna change your profession in future or do you like that profession? Okay. Then if you get chance, then which country do you wanna go? Okay, so fine. And how many social media do you use? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. How do you manage your time, your professional life and your social media life and your personal life? Mm-hmm. Okay, that's why I asked you because some people tell I'm busy, I don't get time from my professional life. Then you are working in there, then definitely you get a hectic schedule inside office, right? Then how do you manage? I want to learn from you. I want to learn how to manage time, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, you are right. But because you social media. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. You miss. You wanted to tell me you are using your social media like casual manner, not a addiction manner, right? Addiction means you don't feel well if you never use 1 2 hours per day, right? Then you. Mhm. Right, right. Because these platform, because if you want to enhance your English speaking, English communication require your professional life, right? In future, if you become a superior inside your office, if you become a leader of your team, if you become a authority of your department, then it required for your professional life. That's why you are using this platform. Who uses this platform? Who are language learner, right? Then you are one of them. Yeah. Yes, I am. I don't want to tell you. Do you wanna talk with them? Do you wanna talk with them? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. No, that is, I don't want to discuss that matter. That is my why means I don't want to discuss about that matter. Why means how can I tell? Means I don't feel like a comfort to share my details. It's okay. Oh, thank you. Okay, I will catch you later.